Alright, hey YouTube, welcome to the first tutorial video that we're gonna do. The first video we're gonna do is my lifters. So if you guys own a Miata, you guys know that a common thing that goes bad is your lifters, and it's a horrible ticking sound. If you don't fix it soon, then it's just gonna get worse and worse, and it's actually gonna be able to hear it from inside the car, which is gonna sound horrible. So today we got a few products that we're gonna be trying. Hopefully the first one works, but if not, we have a few things that we're gonna try to make sure we get that noise down to almost zero. We're changing the oil from Valvoline to Castrol oil, which I was recommended is one of the best oils there is, so we're gonna try it out. We're also doing this, it's a engine treatment. Got this at Walmart. It cleans and restores and protects, so we're just gonna try it. It also quiets noise lifters and valves, so hopefully this is gonna solve our problem. And this is the filter I'm using because we're also gonna be doing an oil change in this video. Let's turn on the car. As you can hear, there's a horrible ticking sound. You'll hear it as I rev it, the tickings are gonna start to speed up. Alright, so the products you're gonna need for this video. Obviously you need your oil. We already went over that we're using castor oil, and this one's really good for cleaning out the engine. You're gonna need your oil treatment. We're gonna be doing an oil change, so you're gonna need a new filter. To get that nut off, you're gonna need a 19mm bowl and a breaker bar in case that guy's stuck. It's also a good idea to get yourself some shop towels because we're gonna get a little dirty. You're also gonna need something to cast the oil with. A bucket will work. You're also gonna need a jack of your car. You're gonna be adding in the oil treatment, so you wanna make sure you have enough room in your oil to not overfill past the max line. So the car actually doesn't have any oil right now. We're gonna have to put actually a little more oil to run it efficiently with the treatment in already. Oh, that shit's green. You see that, bro?
Drinking that dirty.
Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy.
Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy.
Alright, we're just gonna let that sit and make sure we get every single drop. Alright, 10 minutes starting now. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes. We're gonna give it a few more revs, kill the engine, and we're gonna drain all the fluids, replace the filter. Alright, now we're gonna drain all the oil.
Oh, nice.
Straight. You can't really see.
No.
Right now we're just taking off the filter as carefully as possible, making the big old mess. I don't know if that was the right way to do it, but we did it. Nope, probably wasn't. There you go. And you just want to get it hand tight. Oh, I'm burning myself, so maybe you want to do this when the engine cools down.
The whole damn seal, I'ma get lazy.
Alright, so as you can still hear, there's still a pretty bad ticking sound. The treatment didn't work as well as it said it would. Alright guys, the car has been sitting for about 24 hours now, and it sounds 10 times better. I also had to replace the PCV valve. Day 9 after putting in the treatment, and let's just take a moment and listen to how beautiful this sounds. That sounds awesome. I actually went and bought another treatment, so I'm gonna put it in because actually at a cold start, you can kind of hear the ticking a little bit louder, but after the RPMs get back to normal, it all quiets down. But I'm not gonna put another bottle because how much I love this stuff. So this is gonna be how to get the best results for your car. As you know, we were doing just a little test. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to do the best results. So So either you just want to put this in the car to quiet it down, or you just got an oil change. Whichever it is, we're going to go through it. If you just got an oil change, if you did it yourself, what I would recommend doing is putting half of the oil that you're going to need for the car, put the treatment in, and then put the rest of the oil until you get to the fill line. Either way, you guys are still going to need to check how much oil you have in the car. You want to make sure you are not overfilling it, so let's see our levels. All right, just about in the middle, we should be good. It's about right there if you guys can't see, and the fill line is about right there. So we should be good to put the treatment in. There you go, we're just gonna put it straight into the motor oil. Stay tuned for the next video because I have so much more coming on the Miata. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.